Okay, babies, let's talk about this blow dryer. I love it and I hate it all at the same time. Yes, of course, it gets my hair kind of blow dried enough for me to get braids. I have like a teeny weeny afro. I would consider it I'm probably like 3 inches long. My hair texture is a 4B texture here. Do not know why they even have this in here. It's not for it's not for our textured hair. This comb is absolutely too big. This comb is good, but the teeth on it should be smaller to kind of give you like a good blowout. And I'm left-handed, so it's kind of hard for me to use it because why? The I don't know what this is. The vent is on the opposite side, so I have to use my right hand, and I'm not good using my right hand because this right here, it kind of, I don't know, start making a sound because it's on the opposite side and my hair is kind of getting stuck right there on it. But other than that, it does what it needs to do. Matter of fact, you guys, let me turn it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And that's on low. That's off. And this is high. But if I were to cover it, you see how it's making a noise? Maybe that's too. So it all depends on what you are looking for. I'm satisfied with it for right now. I haven't bought anything else because, like I say, I'm only doing braids and stuff, so we get it straight enough for.
Here's the blow dryer. As you can see, it looks brand new. I only use it for maybe 5 times. All the pieces are here. Never even used these two right here, just this one. It no longer blows out hot air. I don't know why. Plugged it into different outlets and same thing. Bought it in the end of June. Now it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It's past the statute of return, so it says. So I feel like I should be returned at least half my money, put it on my Amazon account. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I just thought I would.
It just stopped working. I didn't have it for that many days. I just got it. It worked for like 2 days. And I go try to use it 2 weeks later. Here you go.
Hello friends, here we have our Conair 1875 styler. We had 3 attachments, so we have the small one here, and we have this one, and we have a brush. It has nice safety features. I love those. You have your cool button there that's in blue. You got your low, your off, and your high settings here. So there's your low, off, high, back off. And then here's your instructions. And what I like about this is everything is spelled out really nice. So it tells you to stop. If you don't have a GFCI fault system, you know it'll say install that in the bathroom before you use it. So I really like this. I've used these before.
So here is the dryer, but when I turn it on, the motor, well, before I get started, the motor will ramp up and then it'll cut itself off. It won't do it on the low, kind of loud, but definitely on the high. This isn't right. El cepillo, esto que trae aquí, no agarra bien, o sea, agarra, pero cuando tú lo vas a usar, que va a peinar el pelo, se cae. Hay que agarrarlo con esta gomita y todavía se agarra con la gomita y aún así no funciona. Así.
Okay, so when I was using it, I tried to put the thing onto the latch and it cut my hand. So yeah, 0